Welcome back. So in this section, we shall learn about the left join. So what does the left join do? So it is used to combine two tables in which and the output looks like it contains all the rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table. So in this case, the question is find the students who are professionally active post graduation, whether or not they participated in extracurricular during the school. So we can see here, since we have very few rows, so students 458 and 137 are professionally active. Out of those, only 458 pursued as a 458 did not pursue any extracurricular, whereas 137 pursued the extracurricular. So in other way, we can say that 45 students with IDs 458 and 137 are professionally active. Out of those, one students with ID 137 also pursued extracurriculars, but students with ID 458 didn't participate in the extracurricular activities. But both these groups are professionally active. So the SQL query would be like select asterisk. We want all the information from profession table. A is the alias for profession, and then here, pay attention over here. We are putting in left join. So this is the area where we write the kind of join we want to make. So in this case, we want the left join because we want all the information, all the rows from the profession table. So this is your join type, and the table left to the join type is the left table, and the table right to the join type is your right table, and this is your criteria of the join. So student ID, stud ID is coming from this table. So A signifies that we are joining this with extracurricular tables, student ID this. So these we are basically joining these two. This is the basis of joining the table, and this is I was talking about why we need aliases just to shorten the name. So if we had not defined alias over here, then instead of A here, we would have needed to write profession, and here extracurricular. So this is the use of alias. So we can see after the joining, this is what the table looks like, and we can see student 4, 5 and 8, they do not, so these students that are these rows that are exclusively in the left table, they do not have corresponding record in the extracurricular table. That's why we are getting null. Okay, and I hope it makes sense. Let's have a look what these table and what the rows look like in pgadmin. Let's copy the query. Okay, so we can see this student didn't participate in an extracurricular, so we are getting null values for the right table, right hand side table. Okay, similarly we shall get records. Okay, I hope it makes sense, right? Okay, happy learning. See you in the next lecture.